Hello and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today's recipe is Gobi Gajar ka Achar or cauliflower and carrot pickle. This is the instant pickle and which can be eaten with paratha or roti, and it is really healthy and especially in winters this is made. So let's start the recipe. We need cauliflower florets and some carrots which is sliced like this, and jalapeno or green chilies, and then some slices of ginger. Now in a pot, boil some water and we are going to add the cauliflowers and carrots so that it becomes soft. We just wanted to boil it for just about a minute or so that it can be soft but as well as it remains crunchy. Now rinse it with cold water and then spread it evenly so that it can dry out completely. We don't want any moisture in this, so we are going to soak all the moisture with a paper towel, and then you can leave it out under the fan so that all the moisture can dry out. This recipe is shared by my beloved Bhabhi, Nidhi Bhabhi, and I am thankful for sharing with me. Now warm a pan. We are not going to heat the pan, just warm, and we are going to add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. It is very important. It is only made in mustard oil, which is really fragrant. Now add ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon each, and I have some whole cloves of garlic also. It's optional. If you want, you can omit or add. Now you can see it barely sizzling, so that's how we want. Now add 2 tablespoons of split mustard seeds. This is also known as rai kuria, and just mix it really well. Now add 2 tablespoons of pickle masala. This is a ready-made blend of pickle masala or achar masala, and then 1 tablespoon of jaggery or gur. This is optional. Some people add it, some people don't, but I really like to add a nice little bit sweet flavor. Mix everything well, and then I'm going to add white vinegar. So 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix really well. So this will give a nice sweet and tangy taste. Now salt as per taste. Also we are going to add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, also known as sauf. It adds really nice flavor. You may also add onion seeds, which is known as kalonji. Now add all the veggies and the green chilies. Mix everything well and your pickle is done. Now transfer it to a glass jar. Make sure it's nice and clean and airtight. And here we go. It's ready to be served and enjoyed with a paratha or a roti. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, write down below. Also follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook, and you can share your pictures as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.